All right, all right. It's Tuesday, the 23rd, and this is your morning quickie. Um, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We've got daily. We're looking at the S&P right here. We closed a little below the 8-day, so I'm thinking we're going to come into my 20-day, which is 46, 56, 72. So 46, 56, 72. That's pretty. That's quite a ways away. 30 points. Not impossible. Not impossible, but quite a ways away. Let's see. I mean, we're going to need volume, and I'm thinking that the volume is dying off. I don't even know what today is. Today's Tuesday or Monday? Or Wednesday. Today's Tuesday, right? Um, so that's what we're looking at. That's a pretty aggressive bar down. 72, 78. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. That looks like a good number, that 72, 78. That's going to be interesting if we tag that. So that's what we're going to look for. The S&P is showing us off 7 points. It's no big deal. It's really flat. So we really don't have a sense. It's not like we can open down and we got to look for something. It's not going to be a big gap. Last week or the past few weeks, the feel of the market has been gap up and then trade down, or gap down and then trade up. And that might be the case today. We shall see, we shall see, we shall see. So anyway, just remember, no matter what you're doing, just do it at the appropriate size. Should be calm and cool. Should be at peace when you trade. If you've got anything to talk to me about, I'll be streaming. I like streaming. So hit the subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like. And let me know if there's something you want me to look at for you, and I'm happy to do it. I know there are no meme stocks, and seems like the fun has gone out of the market for the general population. I think Robinhood's taking a beating, but the market's still here, and we're still making money. So if you have an interest, let me know, and we could talk a little bit about it. So anyway, good luck trading.